Welcome to our channel Learning Fun Zone. I'm your host Harshda. Get ready to start on exciting learning adventures with us. In today's episode, we are diving into an incredible journey of discovery. So, without further ado, let's get started. Today, we have got a special game where we get to help Lord Krishna answer questions and break a Matki and celebrate Janmashtami together. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's start. Meet our friend Lord Krishna. He's here to ask us some fun questions. When we answer each question correctly, Krishna will magically move up and change the scene. So it is asking me the name. Yay! Start the coding part. We'll go to Scratch website and let's create a new project. Now, for the backdrop and sprites, let us add some backdrops and sprites. So here is one background I have taken. So this is one background that I have designed on Canva. You take any ready-made backdrop or you can design it on Canva for free. And you can download some images of Krishna. So here I have downloaded some royalty-free images of Krishna. Use the size a bit. Delete the default sprite. Let us add one more, right? I will reduce it to suppose 60. I got this image, but I think I should change the color a bit. So we can do that in Scratch itself. We can customize our sprites. Try to color it blue. Color it. You can also draw whatever sprite you want. Just to save time, we can download and color them if you want. Wonderful. I think this is enough. So this is the second sprite. And I will add one more sprite. This is the sprite of a photo of Krishna who has broken the matki and he is eating the butter. Just reduce the size of this to fine. And let us add one more backdrop. So some royalty-free images from Canva. During the starting of the game, we want the first backdrop, right? So let us start the code now. We'll go to events. When green flag is clicked, let us switch to the first background for Janmashtami. And we want the Krishna, when we start the project, we want this to be shown. So let us add show. We also want some nice music to be played in the background. So let us start some sound. You can go to sounds and you can use the default sounds or you can download some nice tune. So here I have downloaded some nice instrumental for flute. make it little softer. So this is the sound. When we are starting the game, we want all other sprites to be hidden. So let us click on them. Go to events. When green flag is clicked, let us go to looks and let us hide it. Same code for the third image as well. Go to events. When green flag is clicked, to looks and hide it. Okay, that's okay. So let's try to run it now. Perfect. We have this background and Krishna image. Perfect. Now we want this Krishna to stand over here. So let us, for the show we will add this. And we want Krishna to ask something to us and greet us, right? So let us go to looks, add hello. Can add any caption you like. I will add here hello friends. How are you? Add it again. And we will write here. Answer my questions if you want the Matki. So we will keep this for 5 seconds. And let us go to sensing. And we will see here one block. Ask and wait. So here you can ask what's your name and wait for some time. So the user will give the answer for this. Okay. And after that we can do, we will broadcast it as first. So this is the first answer. Now we will just duplicate this. And here I will change some questions. You can add as many as questions you like. For now I will add let's say 3 questions. So after that we will broadcast it as 4th. And after that we want this sprite to hide. Okay, so for that we will go to looks again to hide after the 4th broadcast. And we will stop the sound over here. If we receive the 4th broadcast, we want this particular sprite to be shown. So for that we will write the code. Go to events. When I receive the 4th message, we want to start the sound for Janmashtami. I've added some sound. You can add any Janmashtami song. This is some festive music. You can add that. So I'll just add this one. And we want the sprite to be shown. So I will add show. This is the perfect position for our sprite to motion. And just drag it. This is the perfect position for our sprite. And we will wait for 10 seconds. And let us broadcast something. Yeah. I'm happy. In March. And let us hide it. Okay, so once it is broadcasting Happy Janmashtami, we want the 3rd image to be shown. So let us go again to events. When I receive Happy Janmashtami. We want this to show. And let us wait for 5 seconds with this. And after that, we will switch to the second backdrop and we will wish our viewers Happy Janmashtami. Just go to looks, switch backdrop. We will switch backdrop to the second one. Awesome. That's it now. Let's see how it goes. Oh, Krishna is asking me something. What's your name? Come. Krishna is breaking the Matki. Krishna is eating the makhan now. So we did it, friends. We celebrated Janmashtami with Krishna by answering all the questions, breaking the Matki, and now we are in a happy Janmashtami world. And we listen to that cheerful music and let's dance and celebrate together. Thank you for joining us in this fantastic Janmashtami adventure. If you had a great time, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe, hit the bell icon and stay tuned for more learning adventures with Learning Fun Zone. Happy Janmashtami everyone. Bye bye.